Yeah, we're here to look at the falls and the bridge. And look at the size of this mullein plant, y'all. Things are huge around here. I bet a lot of people don't know what these are either. Look at that. That one's kind of growing like that because of the bridge right there. But look at all those plants. Look at all those mullein plants. Every single one of those that look like that is a mullein plant. A lot of them. Bad way to store it. I have to dig it up. I ain't got no way to cook it or anything like that right now. So yeah, we're walking down to the falls and the bridge. So I'm gonna film myself walking across that bridge. It's a swinging bridge. They say it's a suspension bridge. So I'll see y'all down there. Go to start recording and hit a stop. I thought I'd share with y'all a little bit how pretty this walking trail is we're on here. What is that? Random rock formation. We'll see what it is together, y'all. Almost like it gets darker out here because of the clear up. Dedicated in 1936. So it's been there since 1936. Alright then. Oh, there's a warning sign up here. Oh, somebody must have... There's a warning for y'all if y'all ever come out here. I'm gonna read the whole thing, pause it. People writing RIP numbers on here, that's not good. How y'all doing?
Hello. Hi.
Of course, a lot of times when you die around something like this, it's because you do something dumb to begin with. You're not very safe about it. There's a sign up here.
Fish. And this one's bull trout.
Bull trout. See, I wasn't trying to cover up a cuss word. It actually says bull trout. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. You can kind of see the waterfall from here. There's a lot of writing on that sign. Before we go down there, I'll show you what you can see from up here. Can't really see much, I guess, on the camera because it's so white. Yeah, you really can't see it from here, so I'll be back when we get down there, y'all. I think I'm getting close to the swinging bridge because I saw a sign back there where, oh my goodness gracious. Ain't that pretty? I saw a sign back there pointing the way I'm going now. It says swinging bridge, and then back behind me that way is the falls. So she went toward the falls. I'm going toward that swinging bridge, dadgummit. I want to walk on the swinging bridge. A lot of people out here say they come out here and they want to do it. They're all pumped up. They get out here and look at it and then get scared. They want to go across it. I want to go across this one. I also want to go across the one that crosses the Grand Canyon. The desert's still open. Let's go check this out here, y'all. I still can't see the bridge from here, so I don't know how far I got to go, but I can tell you that's when them currents carry you away. I thought I could see the bridge from where I'm at. I think this is like a mile hike or something like that. I don't know. Either way, I'm still going. And ain't this a pretty walking trail, y'all? With beautiful views beside you. Yeah, that's for sure one of those currents that would carry you away. Not much you can do about it. They might find you laying somewhere further down the river. Right here would be a task to even try and get. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, I know I'm a little daredevil sometimes. Sometimes I do things that ain't that smart. But it's fun. But even though something said me I'll be smart, I don't do it unless I know I can. Either way, I'll be back. As you can tell, the further down I got, the rockier the road gets. Goodness. Doing climbing and jumping and hopping. Not really, but you know, it feels like it. I see the bridge ahead though. I already seen it. Golly, it's pretty down here. I think that's the railroad track right there beside me. Looks like I still got to go up to reach even with the bridge. Oh. I pause it when someone coming through because I don't, you know. Some people don't like being filmed. So out of respect sometimes. Please keep out. So the bottom one's there. We got to go up to the top one, it looks like. Alright, Dan. So the bottom one's being built lower. Looks like the new one. Let me show you here. See? Bet you that's going to be the new one right there. And that's the old one that's higher up. So, let's do this, y'all. Goodness gracious. Trying to get a safe way down here. What it looks like from the other side. Alright, let's do this. Not sure I should wait for them to come down or what. Yep. It's not really wide enough for several people on there, so let me come back, let them pass me, and I'll be back when I start. Here we go. Across the swinging bridge. Oh, it ain't that bad. It just bounces a lot. It's really bouncy. It's really, uh-oh, what'd I do? I didn't know what I did because I hit a button, so y'all can see the up high view of me. I'm on the bridge. It's a bouncy bridge. Stop for a second. Enjoy this view. About that far. Got that far to go. But let y'all see these views a little bit. Take a snapshot, turn around, take a snapshot. Yep, it's swinging. When I turn around like that, it starts swinging side to side at that point. It's bouncy. Really bouncy. It's swinging too. It's bouncing more than swinging. This is cool. Alright. Across the bridge. So I'm going to stop this for now. I'll turn it back on when I get to the falls. Where that water is waving right there. Is this cool or what? You can tell I'm on the edge. It ain't that far of a fall. It ain't that far of a drop. Let me show you. Well, I almost fell forward. When I didn't want to. That would have been bad. It's probably like a small hop and jump, but I would do it right now, but I just thought about something. The way I am, I'd probably jump, hit the ground, and keep rolling. I'm still thinking about it, though. Screw it, do it this way. See? It ain't that far. It's always fun when you get to do stuff like that. Isn't it beautiful out here, y'all? Another snapshot. Unblur. Unblur. I'm gonna have a long slideshow to put together. One of those moments I knew I was like, I'm gonna record when I get back to the falls, but That's a waterfall over there, technically. I found this little open area here, walking the trail. So I'm like, you know what, let's explore a little bit. Because I can. And if y'all like what y'all are seeing, there's more to come. Please like that. Hit that like button if you want to. Hit the subscribe button so you can see more of my travels. Also ring that bell. Post notification button, whatever you want to call it. Now here's a bigger fall, y'all. That is a bigger fall. See, I'm stopping right here because when I get this close to one of these edges, this is my vertigo will kick in. Look over the edge. But sometimes I'm okay, sometimes that vertigo gets you in. I feel the dizziness, but I'm about to head back across the bridge and head over to see what them falls look like. If I can find the right trail, that is. That bridge ain't that bad. I know some people could be scared of it. It ain't that bad. Oh yeah, I noticed they got it anchored way back here on the trees. I'll be back. That's a cool angle of the train, ain't it, y'all? That's a cool feather you got there.
Thanks. Hop on.
Hey, what? This is the trail on the other side, the one heading for the falls. I'm not sure how far down here I gotta go, but we'll see in a minute. Like I keep thinking I'm here in the falls, but I'm in a part of the river that's got rapids in it, so I'm gonna be hearing water no matter what. But the way it's sounding, I think I am getting near a waterfall. And the way it's looking, I think I am getting near a waterfall. Question is this like one big waterfall or a series of small ones? It looks like it's gonna be a bigger one. Oh, look, there's a series of smaller ones over there too. I'll go over here and show y'all. As you're climbing up that, imagine how you feel climbing to the top of that. That's the falls from this angle. Let's see where it is at the end of the trail over here. Hopefully when I go back up there on the train tracks, I'll show y'all that. Hopefully when I go back up there, there'll be a train coming. Another one. I can see all the train. Got a little thing to climb here. Look at that. It's a natural staircase. But it's worth it getting up here. When you think it's worth it, y'all? You can feel the temperature drop over here. I bet it feel amazing to jump in that water right now. Alright, beautiful sight. Time for me to head back. Go back to Calvisville, and I'm not gonna jump in the pool a little while. I've been in that pool once before, it's pretty cool. I used to have a fear of being in pools. That one, there was nobody in there, I was in there by myself, and I broke my fear of the pool that way. I don't know, just like, I could swim in lakes, rivers, oceans, and everything, just because at one time I dang near drowned as a kid. I couldn't swim in pools, but I have broken that fear. And now know at Justin, you know, Jay's house, y'all saw that thing where they're doing the volleyball and all that. That's part of the reason why I didn't get in that pool, because I wasn't by myself. And I know that the best way for me to break my fear and do it again would be for me to get in there by myself. You know, starting off, get in there by myself and all that. But screw it, let's go take a look down here. Ain't no hurry. Alright, Spider, get off my arm. Comfy seat. A little far to sit down at the moment. Alright, now it's time to head back. I'll see y'all in the car. Come record some other trip back there. Hopefully there'll be a train when I get to this track, so I'll say all that. It'll be a short clip probably. I'll say all the tracks when I get there. I'll be back. I'll just throw it to you. Now, this bridge down just two when you walk across, by the way. And I got a big hill.